Hey there from our house build. Today is a very special day. Today marks us being married for 10 years. Not only that, but this also kind of marks the 2-year mark of when this whole process started of us moving out to the country, self-building, doing the camper life, all that. But more importantly than that, we wanted to highlight.
Wait a minute.
More importantly than that, yeah.
Okay, you're fired.
All right.
But the purpose of this video is not to talk about our anniversary. We're gonna walk you through what's been going on lately, what we feel like has really gotten accomplished this year, and what we're hoping is gonna get done in 2023. So this time last year, when we started 2022, we had a framed-in house, no roof, and a complete financial switch up that was throwing us a little bit for a loop. Once we got all that figured out, the weather started to clear a little bit, we really set the goal to push hard to get a roof on and get our house dried in. So after battling heights and a lot of heat in the summer, we got rafters up, we got a roof on, and we got dried in by July 4th. So all fall we worked on just really getting that as dried in as possible. We worked on more mechanical things and of course prepping for drywall. On this house build we have done almost all the work ourselves, but there are some things we've had to do with contractors. So when we had to get our HVAC really finalized and set up, we had to wait on some contractors and had some issues that set us back. And then we did decide to get contractors for drywalling, and that has been setting us back. Although drywallers are really fast, there has been some scheduling issues. So currently we are pretty much just waiting on the finishers to come so that we can mud and sand and get that completely done. However, since they have hung the drywall, we are able to do a lot of electrical work. So we are installing plugs, we are installing switches, we are getting ready for lights to go in so that we can get everything that we can ready to go for our last electrical inspection. Okay, so full disclosure, it has been a really hard year. It's been a really, really hard month. 2022 has tested us, it has pushed us, it has stretched us, but we really feel like we are coming out of it stronger as individuals, as a couple, as a family, and it's been a really good reminder that hard times can be good times, and that difficult things are not always bad things. This 2 years has been a crazy season in our life, and although at times we really want it to be over, we know that we've made amazing memories and we are enjoying this journey together. Ready? So probably by the time you're watching this, it might even be 2023. What are our house goals for this year?
So obviously we want to be moved in, and to do that we have to have our final electrical inspection and a functioning bathroom essentially. Then we can start finishing off each little project throughout the house, and then eventually we're hoping by summertime we can be done so we can get refinanced and roll all the loans into one and be in a finished home is the goal.
Thank you so much for watching, especially those of you who have been following along with our whole build. If you haven't, go back and catch up and see where we've been, and we hope you guys have a great 2023.
Happy New Year.
Hang on, I think we got the Telluride. Oh.